Alright, so I'm in bed. I've got the clock all set up. Now I just need to set my alarm. And hope that I'm fast enough. Yep, just fast enough. Oh, and it changed. But why is the alarm not going off? Or is it? I have volume all the way up. Okay, the fact that the dial is lighting up means that I think it is doing something. If you don't move. Oh, it's starting to make more noise. Pikmin are dying. Okay, it did recognize me doing something. I tried moving my legs to see if it would recognize leg movement. But I haven't specifically gotten out of bed yet. I might need to change like the sensor angle a little bit. Who knows? Oh, but it's like if I don't move, like the alarm will begin again. Okay, I kind of like that. I want to see it get to it like it's hurry up mode. Because I mean, like I hear it, but I'm not sure if this one specifically would be enough to wake me up. It is registering my head moving though. I'm gonna just let it go. I'm trying my hardest not to move. I feel like it has gotten a tiny bit louder, but not terribly much just yet. This honestly may make me want to set my alarm for a little bit earlier, just if it does like slowly ramp up like this. But then again, different alarms can have different effects, of course. Other alarms might be a little bit louder or more intense. I moved my leg, and it registered that I had woken up. So I'm just gonna get out of bed. And get out of the front of it. And I'll assume that it'll register that I haven't like gotten back in bed. Or maybe I have to physically stop it. I'm not quite sure. I'll have a notification. My notification is sleepy sounds. Nope, I don't want sleepy sounds. Okay, but there we go. There's a little demo of the alarm doing its thing. Hopefully that was something helpful for somebody. I'll have to play around with this to see about it working better for me. Okay, later. Bye-bye.